America is known as the land of opportunity, where one could achieve anything they put their mind to, no matter who they are. Thousands of people immigrate to the United States every year from different parts of the world to have access to these kinds of opportunities. This is what is known as the American dream. One of the many reasons America is such a great country is the diversity you see all around. America is one big melting pot of citizens from different backgrounds. America is also home to many of the world's top colleges and universities. The California Institute of Technology is a top world-ranked college that focuses highly on science and engineering. It is located in the city of Pasadena. Harvard University is another top world-ranked college that you might be familiar with. The buildings at Harvard date all the way back to the year 1636, making Harvard the oldest university in the United States. It is located in the state of Massachusetts. University of California, Los Angeles is another institute worthy of recognition. Located next to Hollywood, UCLA has distinguished itself as a prestigious and selective university due to the number of people who apply for admission throughout the United States. The universities mentioned are but a few of many other excellent schools that make the United States so outstanding. America is also known for being at the forefront of freedom and equality. Although our history may be contradictory to these ideals, we have progressed and now live in a land of equal opportunity. Whether you wish to become a doctor, a lawyer, or a librarian, America is the best place to be at to achieve these dreams. The 4th of July is the United States celebration of its independence from England. It is the day when the Declaration of Independence was adopted by the new country's forefathers. It is a national holiday. It has been celebrated every year since 1776. Americans hold this day as one of the most revered holidays in the country. Independence Day celebrations include fireworks shows that are held by various organizations throughout the country. The shows are held at stadiums, recreational parks, and private homes. Additionally, many businesses have giveaways and special discounts for all residents on this day. The fireworks shows are best at stadiums, where they attract a large number of people. This is a recent change in the way Americans celebrate the day. In the past, most people bought their own fireworks from vendors who sell their goods in supermarket parking lots. Another 4th of July tradition is the backyard barbecue. The holiday occurs in the middle of summer, and Americans love to grill outdoors to avoid the heat inside the house. Hamburgers and hot dogs are the food of choice, but steaks are also prepared often. There is nothing better than a great American meal and a cold drink celebrating the 4th of July. It is a popular holiday, and it is one that has great meaning to most Americans. Christmas, observed on December 25th, is a Christian holiday that celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. Christians of different denominations go to church on Christmas. Many Catholics go to midnight mass. In the United States, however, the holiday has a much more secular tone and is celebrated throughout the country. Many people, regardless of their religion, put up and decorate a Christmas tree. The tree can be a real evergreen or it can be an artificial tree. Lights, strings, tinsel, and even popcorn can be used to decorate a Christmas tree. On the top of the tree is a star or an angel. The decorations are usually red and green. The purpose of a Christmas tree is to have a central location to place gifts. According to legend, a jolly fat man with a beard named Santa Claus leaves presents under the tree. Children in the U.S. often write lists of things that they want Santa to bring them. Many parents bring their children to shopping malls across the country to tell a man dressed as Santa what they want. These children are often also photographed with the mall Santa as a keepsake. On Christmas Eve, many children leave milk and cookies for Santa. Of course, it is the parents that buy the gifts from the wish lists, and even eat the cookies and drink the milk. On Christmas Day, children usually wake up early and run to the tree so they can see what Santa brought them. Adults can also exchange gifts at this time. People don't just decorate the tree at Christmas. Many also elaborately decorate their homes with lights. Some of the displays are even synchronized to Christmas songs called carols. Originally, these songs were religious, but now they are about the spirit of the season. New Year's Day officially begins as soon as people yell Happy New Year at midnight. Most people continue partying well after midnight into the wee hours of the first day of the new year. In fact, many New Year's parties include breakfast or lunch. Sometimes at the stroke of midnight, there will be fireworks and couples often kiss. One of the most famous New Year's celebrations takes place in New York City's Times Square, where a huge cut crystal ball drops at midnight in front of millions of people standing in the cold. Many more millions watch on television. Some groups, called polar bear clubs, jump into the cold ocean water on New Year's Day as a literal way to start the new year fresh. New Year's Day, January 1st, is a national holiday in the United States. This means that schools, banks, government offices, and post offices are closed. Given how much people tend to drink alcohol on New Year's Eve, many people wake up on New Year's Day with a hangover. The national holiday is a good day to recover. Many people go out partying with their friends on New Year's Eve. Many people use New Year's Day to visit family members. New Year's Day is also when many people start on their New Year's resolutions. A resolution is a promise to change a lifestyle habit. The most common resolution is to lose weight. Many people also join gyms as part of their resolutions. On New Year's Day, there are also parades such as the famous Tournament of Roses parade in Pasadena, California, where all of the floats are made of different colored roses and they compete for awards. Many people also watch college and professional football games, including the Rose Bowl, which is also held in Pasadena, California. Valentine's Day, February 14th, is a holiday that celebrates love and friendship in the United States. Most people think of it as a romantic day to show the one you love how much you care by purchasing cards and gifts. Valentine's Day is also an extremely commercial holiday. People spend money on flowers, balloons, chocolate, stuffed animals, and jewelry. People also go out for expensive dinners. Valentine's Day is even celebrated by school children, who give thank you cards to their teachers. Some high schools have Valentine's Day dances. Classmates give each other little cards. These cards can be purchased at any store with famous cartoon characters. It is considered much more thoughtful to have kids make handmade cards to give to friends and teachers. Valentine's Day is also a great day to announce your love to someone, like a secret crush. Some people even get married on Valentine's Day. However, you do not have to be in love to share in the festivities. You can say Happy Valentine's Day to friends and coworkers. Valentine's Day is not an official holiday, though, in the U.S., meaning government offices and schools are open as usual. The date used to be the celebration of a saint named Valentine who allegedly saved a young girl's life. It wasn't until the Middle Ages that romance somehow got mixed in with the date, and lovers would send each other handwritten love notes. Back then, you couldn't just go to the store and buy a card the way you can now. You know, Valentine's Day is around the corner when stores begin to decorate with red and pink hearts, and the symbol of Cupid, a winged ancient Roman god said to strike the hearts of people with his arrow. Now it seems Cupid goes straight after your wallet because you will also see many more jewelry ads as Valentine's Day approaches.
Easter is a Christian holiday that celebrates the resurrection of the death of Jesus Christ as told in the Bible. Christians are found in church on Easter. Some Christians participate in an Easter vigil or nighttime mass, sometimes held by candlelight. Easter is never on a set date. It is observed on a Sunday between the end of March and the end of April. The exact date is calculated based on a different calendar. Many public schools in the U.S. have a week-long vacation around Easter time. Sometimes this break is called Easter or spring break. In the United States, Easter is also celebrated as a secular holiday. It is associated with the beginning of spring and symbolized by bunnies, flowers, and dyed eggs. Many children in the US believe in a fictional character called the Easter Bunny. According to the myth, the Easter Bunny leaves baskets full of candy for children. Sometimes these baskets are hidden and the children have to find them on Easter Sunday morning. Candy that is usually inside on an Easter basket can include chocolate in the shape of bunnies or chicks, jelly beans, and marshmallows. Another activity associated with Easter is an Easter egg hunt. According to popular mythology, the Easter Bunny hides painted eggs and children need to find them. While real eggs used to be used, now it is common to use plastic eggs filled with candy. There are usually public Easter egg hunts in parks across the country. The White House even hosts an Easter egg hunt. Another Easter tradition associated with Easter is dyeing real eggs in different, usually pastel colors, like bright pink, blue, and yellow. In New York City, people take to Fifth Avenue to participate in the Easter Parade. The Easter Parade isn't a parade with marching, bands, and floats. People walk up and down Fifth Avenue, showing off elaborately decorated hats or Easter bonnets.